Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a template on DocuSign. So on the website, you just have to go to templates and then create a template. Just click that. And then here you will have to fill up some information. So for example, here I'm making a mutual NDA document. So I'm just gonna name that mutual NDA agreement, and then just fill up the description, upload your document, and then here you can add a recipient. So first you can assign someone or the third party, the disclosure party, to sign this document. So what you have to do is to input their email as well as their name and their role. So for example, here and then what I will do is add a recipient, so someone who would verify the signature. So for example, if you have a legal team, so you can add them here, and then here if you can see there's number 1 and 2, that's because that's the arrangement to be followed in signing this document. So after that, you can add a message. So in their email, you will have to put the subject. So for example, I have this one. And then you can mail merge it by clicking this one and clicking the name of the party, so that when you send the email to a lot of people, it will automatically input the name. Then just click next. And then on the document, what you will have to do is input the spaces where the signature, initials, date, name, and this and similar information to be placed. So these are kind of like a placeholder, so that they know, the recipient would know where to put their sign, initials, and the date, for example. So this is an example for that, and you can do that for other options here on the side as well. And then just click save and close. Then you will see that it will be added to your list of templates like this one, and that's it. That's how you create a template on DocuSign. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like and subscribe to this channel.